Hello everyone, welcome once again KVS RO Jabalpur online classes. I hope you all enjoyed previous video. So let us begin part 2 chapter 3 A Day with Nandu from your EVS NCRT textbook Looking Around Us for class 4th. Today's topic are some interesting fact about elephants, importance of elephant, animal partnerships, feeling of animals. Now let's have a quick recapitulation. Elephants live in a herd. Eldest female elephant is the leader of the group. Elephants sleep only 2 to 4 hours. And elephants eat more than 100 kg of leaves and twigs. There are some other animals that live in a group. Elephants have many special qualities. Now we will recapitulate some animals groups name by this match the following. Match the group name to the animal. You have to match it. Yes. First one. A group of fish is called. Yes, you are right. A group of fish is called school. A group of birds is flock. A group of buffaloes, herd. A group of bees, swarm. And a group of dogs is called pack. A group of ants, yes, colony or army. Now you can clap for yourself. Now let's discuss importance of elephant. Elephants are some interesting fact about elephants. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Elephants' tusks never stop growing. So, enormous tusks can be sign of an old elephant. It is the tusk and enormous tusk can be shown the sign of an old elephant. There are two species of elephant, African and Asian. It is African elephant, it is African and it is Asian. The African elephant's ear much larger than Asian elephants. Its ears, African elephant's ears, it's like a shaped, Africa shaped. And the Asian elephant's ears is small and rounded ear. Its trunk, African elephant's trunk, 2 fingers for grasping and its trunk 1 finger for grasping. Its head, African elephant's head, single dome. And Asian elephants have twin dome. Height of African elephant, tallest at shoulder 9 to 13 feet. And the height of Asian elephants 6.5 to 9 feet. Their trunks to suck up the water to drink. It can contain up to 8 liters of water. It is the trunk and it can contain 8 liters of water. Elephant calves can stand within 20 minutes of birth. Can you imagine? It can stand only 20 minutes of birth. Elephants can't jump. Elephants are good swimmer. As you can see the video, it is good swimmer. Elephants are extremely intelligent animal. Now, some relationship with human. Elephants have strong and huge body. They can carry load on their back or by their trunk. Elephants are used to carry big logs in the forest. Elephant is a source of entertainment. Elephants are basically wild animals that can be domesticated only to a very small extent over many generations of human guided breeding and can be used in giving us joy rides. People rides on elephant to see the forest. There are some other animals also that are used for riding. For example, camel, horse, etc. Now, in economical value, elephants is a tourism magnet. Do you know why? They are attracting findings that help protect wilderness area. Elephant ivory has been used in huge amount to make billiard balls, piano keys, and so many others items for human enjoyment. Ivory is expensive, mainly believe its supply is very limited. Now, let us discuss and solve books-based question answer. The answer are just for reference. Students are highly recommended to write their own answers. Okay? Like elephant, some other animals also live together in group. These animals groups are called herds. Okay? Usually move around together searching for food. If you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, what kind of things would you do? Same, I would play in mud and bath in river, etc. Next question. In the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decides everything. Who takes decision in your family? Yes? Give the answer. My father and mother takes decision in my family. Make a collage of a herd of elephant. In your notebook, for this collect as many picture of elephant that you can cut out. The elephants can stick them in the notebook. Now I will give a idea how you can make the collage. Collect some old newspaper or magazine. Draw the basic shape of an elephant on a sheet of paper. Tear the pages in small bits using your hand. Apply glue to the draw picture and the turn bits of paper one by one neatly and carefully. Do not leave white space between the bits of paper while pasting. Your elephant collage is ready. As you can see the picture. Now, Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend a whole day with your friends, what all would you do? Yes? Yes. Run, dance, play games, watch TV, etc. Find out and write which other animals live in herd. You read it? Yes. Horse, sheep, zebras, deer, etc. There are so many animals. Do you also live in a group? Do you like to live together like that? What do you think? Are the good and the bad points of living in a group? Write them. Yes, I also live in a group in my school and at home with my family, and I like to live together like that. Now, we will discuss the good and the bad points to living in a group. Good point. We can talk and share our feelings. Second point, we can help each other in difficult time. It is good point. Now, some bad points also have food and space required for all. Sometimes a small misunderstanding might lead to fight. Now, some feelings of animals. Living in group is very important for us because our partners help us in so many things when we need. Do you know our animal world is wonderful? Not only their groups, but animals depends on other animals too. Animals have lifelong relationship with each other organism. That is called symbiotic relationship. It is term used for relationship between two dissimilar animal where both animals benefit from the association and or friendship. This is the picture of, yes, hippopotamus. Take eating words on hippopotamus. Here, the hippopotamus surrounded by a flock of birds. As you can see the picture, the flock of birds. Yes. Okay. Flock of birds. These birds are called oxpecker. The sticks eating helpful bird. I will show a video which show relationship between the two animal. Yes, the first video is, yes, which animal is this? You can identify. Yes, it is a crocodile and plover bird. Crocodile is basking in the sun and lay its mouth open, and those birds are eating the flesh stuck between its teeth. So whenever crocodile want it mouth clean, it will open it and wait for plover bird help. There is another video of animal relationship. As you can see, a egret with these buffaloes. They ride on buffalo's back. They eat flies of buffalo's back. They both benefited each other. Egret get food, that is flies, from buffalo's skin, and buffaloes is by irritating fireflies. So this is a wonderful example of symbiotic relationship. Now think and write. First you observe this picture, this one, and give the answer. Why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? It eats the insects on the skin of buffalo. Have you seen any animals riding on another animal? Write its name. Crow on buffalo. The animal which is riding. Which animal is riding? Yes, egret. The animal which give the ride? Yes, buffalo. Which animal do we use for riding? Yes, just think. In which animal do we ride? Yes, elephant, camel, horse, etc. Which animal do you use for carrying loads? Elephant, yes, donkey, camel, ox, etc. Now, this is the activity time. Copy the drawing of the given on the next page in a bigger size on a thick sheet of paper. First, make a small cuts where it says cut. You have to cut where it cut. Okay. Here. Fold along the dotted lines. It is the dotted lines here. This is the dotted lines. From here you fold it. Fold the part with pattern and push them underneath. Cut out the tail and stick it on the back. Your elephant is ready. Color and decorate it. This type of paper elephant you will find and ready. Feeling of animals. Do you think animals have feeling? Yes, animal also have feeling. Now let's read some feelings of animals. Look at these pictures and read what these animals are sharing with their friends. That means us. This is the picture of snake. Snake said, "The basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer." That means a snake is sad. This is the bear. You can see me as in circus, dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all these? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. You just imagine how sad bear are. I am a horse. What horse say? You have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoes to my hooves? That means horse is also sad. It is the monkey. They make us dance and dance and dance. Even if we don't want to or we are in pain, that too with an empty stomach. Can you imagine how sad? Meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Yes, it is cat. Children love me a lot. They pet me and also give me milk. That means cat is happy. Pigeon. Gutter gutter goo, gutter goo. Do you know people especially call out to me to feed grain? We should be kind towards animals. We must never tease animals or hurt them. We should feed and treat our pets with great care. Wild animals are our national treasure. Now, discuss about it. You have a read what these what these animals says. Why do you think that some of them are sad? Some of the animals are sad because they are separated from their habitats, or they might not get food, or they might feel sad as people use them in different purposes. Second question is for discussing, how do you think they are different, the monkeys that dance to entertain people and the monkeys that are free? What is the difference? I think monkeys that are free are happier than the which dance to entertain people. They can do everything or eat whatever they want. You know, children, some people kill the elephant for their tusk. It is so unfortunate. A government has also made laws against these. We need to conserve our elephant. Elephants are killed for their tusks. Tusks are used for making ornaments, showpieces, but we have to save elephants because they are our friends. I hope you enjoyed learning about elephant. I finished this lesson here with beautiful poem about elephant.
I'm an elephant so huge and strong I can creature away. I may be wild but I'm domestic too and help men in many a way. I have sparse tiny hair on my skin that's grey. I have a long muscular trunk. I have a tail that's rather thin and long. My legs are like tree trunks. I have two very tiny eyes, but my ears are flat and big. I have a pair of ivory tusks that I use as a weapon or a tool to dig. With my trunk I breathe, smell and feel, push and pull with great power. I lift and pluck and grip and greet and enjoy a good shower. I feed on tender twigs of trees, on grass and roots and fruits. I call by trumpeting aloud, my calves are so very cute. I live where there's water and plenty. I have a great memory to have my precious tusks for money. Please don't kill me cruelly.